Luto natin, tikman natin guys. So crunchy. Sarap guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jenny Sabulok guys. Today I'm going to make sambosa guys in Arabic. So this is my ingredients guys. Ground beef, onion and the garlic, and the vegetable guys mix. So we will see later guys what will happen. Okay, let's start now guys. Now I put some fire guys. I started it with fire, a low heat, and I'm going to put some oil. Little bit of oil only guys. So we will wait until it become hot. Now guys, I fried the onion and the garlic first together. We will wait until it become a little bit brown. And then after that, we will follow this beef. Now guys, the onion and garlic become a little bit brown. So we'll start the beef guys. Mix them all properly. Cover it a little bit guys, like 15 minutes in a low heat, so the beef will be cooked properly. Now guys, the beef is already cooked a little. We'll put some ingredients guys. Since this is a beef guys, I'm gonna use the mixed meat seasoning. You can buy this one in the supermarket, and one beef cubes. So I'll mix them all together. Black pepper guys, this one, and some other ingredients, Arabic ingredients. Now I mix the ingredients. So we will put some black pepper guys. This one. Little more guys. And madras guys, you know madras. Put some madras and coriander. We'll put some coriander and cumin powder guys. Okay, half teaspoon of madras guys, half, half teaspoon of coriander, powder, and half teaspoon of little bit of cumin powder. So let's see guys what will happen. And little bit of salt. Little salt. We'll check now. I add the 1 bay leaves guys to make the smell good. So I'm done with my ingredients. So we'll mix now the vegetable. Here's now the vegetable guys. Now I mix the vegetable guys. I'm gonna add some little bit of soy sauce. This Maggi soy sauce guys. So it will add the taste, little taste. So I'm gonna cover it for a while, like 3 minutes, and I'm gonna open it. We'll see it's done or not. Yan na siya. Guys, ito na yung luto natin. Kunti na lang, tanggalin natin yung tubig, and then we will transfer it. We will wrap it with the wrapper. Okay. Ito yung wrapper natin guys. Yan, dito lang din ito mabibilis na it's in Arabic. Yan, pahaba siya. Yan ang magiging result naman. So guys, we'll start wrapping. Now guys, look at my wrapping. This is the way how to wrap. Fold it and then turn like this, and then put the one I make guys. Put this one, the filling, and then tight it very well. Make it tight. Fold like this, like that, and put some flour with water to lock it, and then hold. Look guys, like this. Fold and turn, and another turn like this, and lock here. See guys, this is the one guys.
About the triangle.
Okay, close din. Yan na guys, pinarito ko na siya. So hintayin natin mag-brown konti, tapos tatanggal yan. Hey guys, ito na yung luto natin. Tikman natin guys. So crunchy. Sarap guys. Let's eat guys. So yummy guys. Look at that. So crunchy. This is my first time cooking this sambusa guys. I didn't know this is so yummy. Bye, see you again in my next vlog. They called it Arabic sambosa, guys. This is Arabic sambosa. Okay, bye-bye.